Hello and welcome to the script bit. Today I'm going to be going over the Instance.new function and creating new parts with it. So first insert a script into the workspace and we're going to delete the print hello world and I'll show you the Instance.new function. So you type in instance and you just go .new. You can do this in a variable, which I'll cover in a sec, but for now I'll just show you how to do this. So you can select any object you like, well, that you could usually just insert into the workspace by clicking the plus button if you go use these quotation marks here. And so I'm gonna spawn in a part, and then you can parent it here, and I'm gonna go game.workspace. So if you run the game, you should find that there is a part in the workspace, and you can see it has appeared here just under the spawn location. And so usually though you don't use this parent function, but because you usually do not want the instance to be parented as soon as it spawns in. Usually you'll make a variable for it. And then you'll change its properties, which I have covered in a different script bit. Same with variables. So for example, we want to change its position so it's higher, so it doesn't spawn right in the center of the world here. And you can set that equal to, like, say 0 on the X and say 10 on the Y and 0 on the Z, and then you just set its parent property like that and set it to the workspace. And if you run that, what happened here? Oh, I forgot to do .new. Okay, so we can change its position like that, and it'll drop a part into our world. And you can do other things, but for this simple example, and purpose of the script bit, I'm just showing you how to spawn a new one. So thanks for watching this script bit, and I hope to see you in the next one.